Water leaks caused by your air conditioner typically come from your condensate drain lines, and that happens from time to time because your condensate drain line may not be sloped correctly, and water is pooling in the drain line, which creates an atmosphere for microbial growth, which literally clogs up the drain line and causes water to back up into your drain pan. And if you don't have a float switch installed in your drain pan, the water could literally come out of the drain pan and leak into your attic, and you could have sheetrock damage. Here at 1 Hour Air Conditioning and Heating, we always recommend installing a French drain that is dedicated to run that water directly out of your home. We will slope it so that way water will never pool, and that ensures that microbial growth won't happen. And of course, we'll also install 2 float switches to ensure in the event it ever did back up, the float switches would trip, thus turning off your air conditioner. We would come out, service that drain line, and you would never have water damage in your home.